Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're still in Labuan Bajo. We're staying at the World B&B. This place is really nice, guys. It's maybe 8 minutes ride out of the central tourist area. That means it's a bit cheaper. It's got a swimming pool. Just amazing, guys. Now this town is a real come and relax town. There's a lot of scuba diving. There's a lot of really nice resorts and restaurants. But we should be able to find enough to do to make a video today. I'm feeling very lazy. I just got out of the swimming pool, edited a video. But let's go out and explore Labuan Bajo. Now the first place we're going is a cave called the Mirror Cave. I'm not sure what to expect, but let's go and find out together. Google Maps tells you to do a U-turn here and go up here, but Google Maps is wrong, and it doesn't happen very often, so it's not Google Maps' fault, it's just someone's put it in wrong. Yeah, so the guy said to come up here, and we're going to hopefully find it eventually, but if not, past that turn off where Google Maps tells you to do a U-turn. Just go past that, follow the road, and once you go around a little bend in the road, Google Maps takes you a new way. Oh, maybe not. Mierda. Crap. Okay, so I was just at the back of this. And this is where Google Maps brought me to the other side of here. So let's see if we're not there. I think it's the other side. I don't know, guys. It's not often Google Maps lets me down, but this time she has. Well, here we are at the Mirror Cave. And there's no one here, which I'm not surprised, because most people would have given up. Google Maps, just even when I was right there on that corner, Google Maps kept trying to take me around the countryside. But let's have a look. I'm going to get a cold drink first. Hopefully there's some soda water, but I doubt it very much. And then we'll go down the hole. Well, I didn't get a drink because it was more expensive than it would have cost in Australia. So, but the cave entry was $5. The cave's about, he said, 250 metres up this path. So let's go and have a look, and I'll let you know if it's worth $5. Now, this rock here, I'm not sure if this is the place, but I did read that there's a lot of fossils in the walls here, and it looks like there might be something in that rock. This isn't the way to the cave, but this is something, because there's a path that comes here. No, I thought that was a fossil. This just must be a hike. Anyway, let's keep on going. Okay, so I'm guessing you go in one way and out the other, but it doesn't say which way. But we'll go this way. Oh, the things I do for you guys. Walking up the hill, more steps. Well, so far, it's not actually what I'd call a cave, it's just a whole lot of gaps in between rocks. But maybe there's a cave starts, and they call it the Mirror Cave. So there must be some reason they call it that. And guys, if caving excites you, go and see my friend's channel. A guy I worked with for a long time, Steve. He's in, actually, I visit him. We do a live feed together. If you check in my, in the playlists, in my live feeds, you'll, anyway, sorry guys, I'm out of breath. Him and his friend, oh, I won't try and say the name because can't remember properly. I think it, no, I won't even try. But him and Steve do some like really intense caving, like crawling down holes where they have to go in head first and sort of sneak through like snakes to get to the opening of the cave. That sort of stuff I couldn't do, guys. I'm pretty adventurous when it comes to things, but yeah, no, I couldn't do that. But yeah, I'll put a link to Steve's channel in the description, so you'll be able to find it easy. Now he got a bit of a rest. Him and I wish I could remember his name. I know him. Anyway, they found a skull down a cave. Well, Steve was actually at work with me. We worked on a mine site, and he got a message one day that his mate had gone into a cave that the two of them were going to explore just to find the entrance. And he found a skull, reported it to the police, and they never heard anything back, so they figure it was a plastic skull, but they didn't know. But there's a video of that on Steve's channel. I'll put the link in the description. Well, I did go in the wrong way. Everyone I passed was going the other way, but how they knew I don't know, because there's no sign or anything. But anyway, everyone else seemed to know except me. Whether that was worth $5, I don't know, but it was a bit of exercise. I've got a few more things to do before I can go back to that swimming pool, but it's calling me. Look at this, sweating. It's humid, and it's a beautiful, nice, cool pool back at my hotel. Okay, so Google Maps, 2 places I've been going to today, and twice that Google Maps has let me down. And the really sad thing is I got some great footage from up the top of the hill here. There's some grass huts built out over the ocean, like those things you see in the Seychelles, or those really posh hotels where you walk up a kind of bridge like this one and there's all different rooms at the end. Well, there's one of those around the corner here. But Google Maps has let me down getting there again, and I got some really good footage up the top here. Helmet cam shat itself. Something really major going on. Every time you turn it on, you get this like weird stuff across the screen. You don't see anything. So yeah, guys, I've got to get home and check if it's worked or not, if it's just the screen that's buggered or whether it's actually helmet cam. I hope not, because we're about to ride through some of the most beautiful country in the world. And guys, Google Maps is pissing me off. I hope it's not like this all the way through Flores and Timor. Oh guys, yeah, I gave up. Google Maps was driving me mad, and helmet cam, and it's really weird. I've just been the last 2 hours trying to work out what the problem is, and in 2.7 it's working, but in 1080 something's gone wrong with 1080. So helmet cam's going to get a bit of an upgrade, what you see on helmet cam, because yeah, I'm not going to go all the way up to 5. I think that GoPro 9s go up to 5. But yeah, 2.7 will be a bit of an upgrade. Hopefully the two can go together, but I'll find out pretty soon. The 1080 on this, or did I turn this one on? Oh no, I've turned this one on to 2.7 as well, so I'll be looking even more handsome. But yeah guys, I've had enough of the day. Just going to spend the rest of the day in the pool, have some food. This is my room. Terrible mess as usual, because I've been there longer than 5 minutes. Jonah will tell you. I just have to walk through a room to make a mess. And this is a little courtroom. They got some really good music playing, but it started at about 6 o'clock this morning. Look at this. All the little bikes and the giant in the middle. She is a bit of a giant. Oh. So yeah, this is the entryway that you've already seen around to the swimming pool. Oh, that swimming pool was great yesterday. Had a really good swim, 2 or 3 really good swims actually. And then the restaurant's just through here. They make fresh pasta, which I was going to have for dinner yesterday, but they everything I ordered they were out of. So I went just down the road here. Oh, actually, where that sort of carport is there, that was an amazing little restaurant. Had beef rendang, and then a guy on the side of the road was selling motorbikes, so I had a peanut motorbike. Morning. And this is the restaurant, and breakfast is included, so I'm going to have a cup of coffee and then my breakfast. Well, that was a frustrating couple of days. I hope I've worked out the camera problem, the audio problem, but we'll see. I think helmet cam should work, but we'll find out in the next video. I've got plenty of footage to make a video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.